The move to SaaS changed our world. It brought the promise of freedom, releasing us from the restraints of on-premise software. But this promise of freedom was all an illusion. When we gave SaaS providers ownership of our data, we gave them ownership of our knowledge. We're not in charge anymore. We're doing everything their way. Want to access your data? Pay per API call. Run analytics. Use ours. Switch to another provider? Good luck with that. The tools that were built to give us freedom, that were designed to drive our business forward, are the ones holding us back. Introducing Own. Own gives you back complete ownership over what is rightfully yours, your data. The Own Data Platform unlocks your data across your SaaS platforms, empowering you to own it. Now that you finally own your own data, you're free to do everything on your own terms, giving you the power to do whatever you please, and the promise of SaaS finally fulfilled. It's their platform. It's your data. Own it.